Hope everyone is well. I am still at my parents'. It's really lovely here. We are hoping to do the tree today, but actually I don't think we're going to because we soaked it in water and it's a wooden base and it's literally soaked through. So we got to wait for it to dry out. So that might be tomorrow, but we are definitely making mince pies today. We're going out this evening. We're going to drinks with some really old family friends, like very, very quick. We're just going to pop by and say hello because then we're off to a show. We're going to see Four Puffs and a Piano, which is a really fun, very risque, kind of cabaret-ish show, but it should be really fun. So yeah, it will be a really lovely day and I'm pleased to take you with me, so enjoy it. So this is the family cookbook that honestly when I was a little kid I used to use, and we're still about to use it for the mince pies, and you can tell which ones were really popular. Like chocolate layer cake was a massively popular recipe in our household, but this is amazing. I don't know, what's it actually called, Mum? Look at it, I mean it's falling apart, but it's just the best cookbook you'll ever find. I love it. It's called the Times Cookery Book.
Katie Stewart.
Oh, it's been signed.
Oh, yes.
Mother. Well, that's very exciting. But yes, so we're going to make our mince pies now. I'm just going to find the recipe. It's somewhere, don't worry. This is the edit part.
Cooking for Christmas.
Oh, they have a whole chapter on cooking for Christmas. That's amazing. Okay. Yeah, we found the mince pies. They're on the dirty page. this one. But they're not bad. They're small, but I kind of like small, so I'm very happy. Dad has already eaten one that I broke, so what did you think?
My review of the mince pie was that it was extremely good.
Thank you.
All. No, loved it.
Yay!
Well done. More, please, more.
Okay, I'm making more. Hobbs time. Hobbsy! Hobbs! Look! Hello, darling. Yeah, we always want a bit of Hobbs time in every Vlogmas, don't we? Yes, gorgeous. I know why you're looking sheepish. Because in a few minutes' time, it's your supper. And I've been cooking mince pies. So pretty. Yeah, aren't they gorgeous? Cuddle monkey. Oh. And hello, Ever Gorgeous. Oh. There you are. And hello, Tigger. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, hello. And jealous Hobbs. Alright, I'm all dressed up, I've got my makeup on, I've washed my hair, so we're going to go out on the town and go and see a show and go and see some friends at a quick drinks party as well.
The most wonderful time of the year, I'm sure you'll agree. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing and loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be red wine a-flowing and gay boys are blowing their loved ones on. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time of the year. You laugh for me, and I'm feeling good. To all men, and love for the child. This lovely music. What do you sure want to know? You gotta listen to me when I'm long, no doubt. All you gotta do is rub like so. And stir a lot, stir a whistle or two or three. I'm on the job, ain't my fault. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You can't never. You ain't never had a friend like me. Right, thanks. Hanging up and starting on the wall. It's a time when every Santa has a ball. Does he ride a red-nosed reindeer? Does he turn upon his sleigh? To the fairies clean his soul before the day. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. It's Christmas in the future now, it's only just begun. A very good night to all.
Tigger, do you want to go?
Bye!
Okay, right, we're back from we've had quite a night, haven't we?
We've had quite a night,
Yeah,
yes.
it's been really
yes.
fun.
Yeah.
And look who's waiting for our return.
Do you know what's lovely though is that Tigger's standing here on standby.
Oh,
She desperately wants to come out. Come here, Tigger. Tigger. Tick, tick, tick.
They get a bit competitive
Yeah.
around the treat time, so I think just to make it a bit easier, let me give you one and then we'll get Tiggs up, yeah?
Yeah,
How about that?
alright.
Okay, Dad, do you want to do it?
Yep.
Ask for a shake.
Right, little shake. That's it. Yeah, there we are. Right.
Yay!
Yay.
Tiggs!
He's off.
Tiggs coming up, darling.
Come on. Tick, tick.
Tick,
Tick, tick. Come on. Up you come. Come
Okay,
on.
or I'll do it down there. Okay? Good girl.
Oh, that.
Good girl. Oh.